So this is the HPLC, and I'm going to change the injector loop because by default this instrument can inject 100 microliter, but my injection volume is 200 microliter. In that case, I need to change the injector loop. So if you see the diagram, so we have to it should come from the needle thing. So see the needle and needle seat, and this line is going to number 5. Okay, so this is from the needle, this line from the needle, and it is going to number 5. If you see the number 5 in the back side, you see the number. So by using the wrench, you lose this number. Once it is loosened, then with the hand you can open it. Make sure that you loose first, then you can open it. It's a little difficult and you have to be really careful because this side is so busy area, so you shouldn't break down any line. So once it is open, then this is a loop. So my injection volume is 200 microliter in the method, and loop is 500 microliter, so it's fine. You can add this. So this is the union junction. So I will connect this with this. So let's see. First, connect it with the hand, and then use 2 of them. So just you have to make it tight. And then make sure that it's tight enough. And so this loop might have something, maybe air or something. So before connecting there, make sure that you flow some solvent like novelties here. So this solvent, it should pass through some of them. So if we go to the method and make some flow, like maybe 5 microliter per minute. So put apply, and then you see. So we're making sure this line is totally like clear, and by doing this we can also check like if there is any leak in the junction area. So now we can make the flow rate 0. And now, so remember we opened this original connector from the 5. So now we will connect this loop there. First connect it with the hand, make it hand tight. Once it is there, then just make it 1/4 rotation of this. it is done, then I'm just making sure like it is tight enough. You don't need to make like super tight, but need to check, make sure that it will not leak. Okay, so now it is connected, and now I will put flow rate starting with the 0.2, because I have the column connected here. So I already connected the column here. That's why I start with the small flow rate. And you'll see the pressure increasing. Now maybe 4, apply 0.4, so pressure is increasing. Six, apply. You see the pressure is increasing. I will go up to 1 ml. Apply. And you have to make sure there is no leaking between these two, like this and the union junction. If there is any leak, yes, I can see the leak, so that means I have to make change here, so this area. So well, this is the way like you can connect the loop. This is called injection loop. So the Agilent system 1260.